from Angeles City, more specifically the walking street down here in Angeles. So we're gonna go down here. This is called Field Avenue. You can see there's a Jolly Bee, which is a famous restaurant here. Obviously you got a McDonald's, which is the American version of what Jolly Bee is. You got Grace Crown Hotel, and then you got Fields Plaza Hotel. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk down here at 6:30 p.m. This is before everything really gets going, because this street finally opens at 4 p.m. So I'm going to tell you a little bit of a history about Angeles City, but I'm also going to do that while we walk down what is considered the nightlife center of the Philippines, really. So casino gaming and nightlife is what this place is known for, but it really got established because of Clark Air Force Base. Let me show you this arcade here. This is Fiesta Arcade. It's kind of like a place to get some food, and it's a little bit of a market. You can see if you just go down here, you get a little bit of market haggling if you need to do that. We've also got sports bars right here. You've got Castle Massage. I did a foot massage earlier for an hour. It was 300 pesos. So that's about $6 for a foot massage. I feel really refreshed. And so you gotta walk around hotel right here, another hotel. Not too much going on right now, but yeah, so you land at Clark Air Force Base. It actually got shut down after the eruption of Mount Pinatubo, which is up by Tarlac City, about an hour away, an hour north. I'm not going to go into any of these establishments with the camera, but if you were to go inside there, it's kind of like, they call them girl bars. And yeah, got tattoos. Balabago Hotel. I mean, if you're trying to stay right on the street, I've just given you like the names of several hotels. You got Galaxy Hotel right here. I'm not staying on this street. I'm staying several blocks away. But I don't want to upset too many people for flashing the camera at them. But yeah, this is Fields Avenue. So after Mount Pinatubo, this place shut down. Clark became the international airport. It's probably, based on what I've seen of all the airports between Manila, Davao, and Cebu, I'd say it's probably in the best shape. That's the one I recommend, because when you land there, it's modern, it's not overly crowded, and it's pretty easy to get in and out. It's right in the center of Luzon. So you've got Royal Amsterdam Hotel. I'm not going to interact with anyone on the camera because I'm pretty sure they don't want to. This is one of those places. It's a party street. If you want to come down here, look at that place. By King. Looks like a heck of a cool place. So this whole area right here is walking street. You got shooters. It's actually full moon. January 10th, 2019. Monsoon girls. I mean, it's kind of like this is a red light district. Pretty sure a lot of you guys have been asking me to go down to a red light district. When I went to Amsterdam, you guys were like, hey Jeff, where's the red light district video? I didn't go, but I mean, this is the equivalent of a red light district. Probably the #1 in Philippines. You got another hotel right here, Fields Hotel. I don't want to be on camera. That's why I'm not trying to go up to talk to anyone, because they've had so many vloggers come through here and make videos. A lot of these people, they don't want to be on camera. They've seen themselves on camera. That's why I move fast. But what we're now coming up on after Walking Street, so here's Club Atlantis. This is one of the ones that everyone recommends to go to. So now, after you get off of Walking Street, the party keeps on going. It's just not as centralized. So now you're on to Fields, Mabuhay. This is where I did my foot massage. Right here is like a restaurant. You got guys out here trying to sell Viagra, Cialis. I also did my video on Bourbon Street. This is kind of like Bourbon Street. What is this? Got more action going this way. I mean, it even goes in other directions. Whoa, a little crazy right there. They get a lot of retired military that comes out here to have fun, I guess. 500 miles. Just trust me, what you just saw right there is nothing compared to how crazy that place really gets going. Bear in mind, that's 6:30. That's action at 6:30 p.m. Okay, so the way this place gets going, I mean, you can see it just keeps on going. There's bars all up and down here. You got Skytrack, Super Club. They've even got a town out here called Oriental Town, where the Koreans go. Dusk till dawn. Tuk tuk jeepney. They see that I have a camera in my hand, they're like, oh no, they cover their face. Some of the vloggers will actually go down here and talk to them, but those days are over, because these people, they know they don't want to be on YouTube getting 35 million views. Yeah, full moon there. Old club. See if I can go over here to this market and do some haggling now that we're out of the party area. See what's up with this market. A little bit easier to cross around here than it is in Ho Chi Minh City. Jollibee. I mean, this thing just keeps on going. They got some markets over here. You can get a haircut. I personally think the foot massage for an hour is good. You get a haircut, a beard trim, all that's good. It's like we're talking $4 or $5, $6. Hello, sir. Get a cell phone. Get those dual card SIM cards, cell phones. Let's see here. Kind of wanna. You can get a Brazilian blowout, hair perm. So just to give you an idea, age cut for men, 60 pesos. That's $1.10. So you get a haircut for $1.10. These little shops over here, they're just like clothing shops and whatnot. I'm gonna be trying to get out of here quick. I just had to come back up here, post up to reestablish and probably go over to Palawan if I can, or Boracay. I'd like to get in one more Philippines major destination. There's 4 major airports in Philippines, which is Davao, Angeles, Manila, and Cebu City. I had to come up here to also do a meeting. I usually come to Luzon and leave like real quick. I don't spend too much time on this island. Although there are some really nice areas around here. I just haven't really gone to many of them. There's like a market right there. They got some food and stuff. So for the most part, that right there is what you just saw, Field Avenue. That's the main area here in Angeles City. So I just wanted to conclude this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed that. And watch some of these other Philippines vlogs if you guys want to see around Philippines. And we'll see you on the next episode. Like right there is Clark Airport. I mean, it's so close to the airport.